make a snow.
Sure, go ahead.
I like snowball. I want somebody to help me make a snowball.
Nope, you have to do that by yourself. Look at tracks in the snow. You could write your name.
Ooh, we could make a snow ornament.
Oh yeah?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
You lay down on the snow and move your arms and your legs.
Okay. Oh, that's a snow angel.
A snow angel.
Come over here, Sean.
I want like a snow angel.
Okay.
Can I lay down?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll start. Oh, I see the cloud.
I see it. I see your snow angel. Here, let me pull you up. Stand back. You see it? There's the wings. And there's the angel. Very cool.
1, 2, I'm gonna get your side better. Alright, you come and take me. Sean, you can't get me. Sean, you can't get me. He's getting me. Tag, you're it. You can get me. Can I make another snow angel?
Sure. Make as many as you want.
Sure. Oh, I need another place for the snow angel.
Whoa. Losing my pants.
A spider? Yeah! Look.
Don't go out into the street, okay?
Alright, let's make snow angel. Whoa! My snow angel?
Yep. What? Your gloves! Where are your gloves? What did you do with them? Let's find them.